Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello teachers and friends. We are from Group 1 Current Learning Mathematics. Problem will show you about our mathematics learning media, which is Quizzo quadratic equation puzzle. This will help teachers and students understand more about quadratic equations. But first of all, we'll introduce ourselves. My name is Haikal Dewadana Sirega and my friend.
My name is Adelia Murtalika and my name is Rizka Fitria Syakira.
First of all, let's talk about the background of learning media. Learning quadratic equation is often difficult for students because it requires recognizing patterns, connecting coefficients to equation structures, and applying precise solution procedures, which frequently leads them to memorize formulas without understanding their meaning. Therefore, interactive and manipulative media such as Quizzo, a quadratic equation puzzle containing coefficient bases, equation form, and root pairs are needed to engage students in analytical thinking, exploration, and concept matching, while also supporting 21st century learning principles that emphasize creativity, collaboration, problem solving, and meaningful conceptual understanding rather than passive interaction. Next is benefits of Quizzo. First is helping students understand quadratic equation more concretely through manipulative activities. The second is increasing student motivation to learn because learning becomes more interesting and interactive. The third is stimulating critical and analytical thinking skills as students match puzzle pieces with mathematical concepts. The fourth is developing problem solving skills through reasoning and pattern finding activities. The fifth is facilitating teachers in managing learning and delivering quadratic equation material with a visual approach. The sixth is helping to create an active and collaborative learning atmosphere. The seventh is strengthening long-term understanding through visual representation and kinesthetic activities. The eighth is adding variety to mathematics learning methods in the classroom so that learning is more effective and enjoyable.
Okay, here we are. We'll be explaining about how to use the Quizzo or quadratic equation puzzle. But before we start learning about how to use this teaching method, we should know about the component for this media. First is this board. This board name is. This is for the board for we use to this, and this is the board for we are writing the equation, and this is for the puzzle. We have x square puzzle, a variable puzzle, multiplication puzzle, and constant puzzle. The next is we will explain about how to use this media. The first one is we should know about the equation first. For example, we have x squared plus 4x plus 3 equals to. Here our purpose is to find the square from this equation. The first is we should prepare the component from the equation. Here we have x squared, so this is the puzzle of x squared. And then we have 4x, so we should prepare for variables of x. It's positive, so we use the pink one for the component of the puzzle. We can arrange the x variable, then what we want, and then we have 3. 3 as the constant, and positive. We can arrange what we want. Where is it? In the board. So this is our purpose is to fulfill what the missing puzzle in the board. This is we know that this is the half missing puzzle, so we should arrange so the puzzle complete. We can use as this one. So the puzzle now is complete. For now, we will to know about the square root from x squared plus 4x plus 3. Now, we look in the out there from the puzzle. It's x and 1. X is positive and 1 is also positive. So, for the first one, the square is x plus 1. And from the side, we can see that the puzzle is x, 1, 1, and 1. So, the answer is x plus 3. So, the answer from this equation, the root of x squared plus 4x plus 3 is x plus 1 multiplication with x plus 3. Besides for the explain and to find the factorization of the equation, we can find the equation from the factorization. For example, we have question x plus 1 and x minus 1. X plus 1 times x minus 1. So our purpose is here to find the equation from this factorization. First of all, we prepare the x. For the x puzzle, we put in the left side of the board, and we prepare the x or the variables. Here we know that in the factorization, x is positive, and then we prepare the x positive and we arrange in the board. Then we also prepare the constant from the factorization. It's positive 1 and negative 1. Positive 1 is the pink one, and negative 1 is the blue one. We arrange in the board. So same as before, in this problems, we also fulfill the missing puzzle in the center. Here we have x and x times by x is x squared, right? X squared. And then we have to fulfill the missing one in the here. It's x and x minus x and minus x. So, to find the equation from these problems, we put it up, the factorization out, and then we have the factorization x squared minus x, I minus 1. And we know that minus x and x is 0, and we put it out, and then we have x squared minus 1. So the answer for this factorization is x squared minus 1.
After all, based on the development and implementation of the quadratic equation puzzle or QUIZZLE, it can be concluded that this teaching aid provides several advantages, particularly in helping students solve problems related to quadratic equation, whether in determining vectors or constructing quadratic equation from given factors. Additionally, the availability of supporting formulas on the back of the tool further assists students when the factorization cannot be achieved through the puzzle itself. However, this teaching aid also has several limitations, including the relatively long time required for its use, the higher production cost, and the limited workspace available for arranging the puzzle pieces. Overall, while QUIZZLE effectively supports conceptual understanding, its practical constraints need to be considered in classroom implementation.
Okay, that's all the explanation about our mathematics learning media. This QUIZZLE I hope will help students or teachers to explain or teaching the quadratic equation. So that's all from us. Thank you for watching.